your printer is installed at altitudes above 3,280 feet, set the altitude adjustment mode. To do so, press the menu key. Scroll to Adjustment Maintenance key and select OK. Scroll to the service setting and press OK. Now scroll to Altitude Adjustment and press OK. Select the altitude range for the geographic area the printer is located. Normal is for altitudes from sea level up to 3,280 feet. Select 1,001 to 2,000 meters for altitudes of 3,281 to 6,562 feet. If your altitude is between 6,565 and 9,843 feet, select 2,001 to 3,000 meters. The 3,001 to 3,500 meters is for altitudes ranging from 9,846 to 11,483 feet. There are no adjustments for altitudes above 11,483 feet, and the image quality cannot be guaranteed. When complete, press on the OK key. To return to the home screen, press the button under Exit.